How to get Youtooz promo codes or how to find the best Youtooz discount codes. Now in this video, I'll show you where you can get a best discount promo code before you purchase any collectibles that you had on Youtooz. So first is run any web browser available on your end, and then you want to have to visit a certain website that's going to be called simplycodes.com. So before you go ahead and purchase or add something into your cart on Youtooz, you simply visit this website right here first so you can find the best promo code that is working. Now locate the magnifying glass and then from here type in Youtooz and then choose on Youtooz collectibles. Click that. At this page, you should be able to see a lot of options like 23% off and so on. You simply click this so that you can copy that unique code and paste it into their official website. And that's how you get Youtooz promo codes or find the best Youtooz discount codes.